One way to make sure you'll have enough gold for your golden years is to work at a company that guarantees your retirement income for life. But those types of companies are getting harder and harder to find. For most of us, you just put away as much as you possibly can and you hope for the best. But there are some things you can do to ensure you will have enough when you retire. Tip number one, if you can, don't take Social Security until you're 70. It could mean at least 30% more monthly income for life. Next tip, even if Social Security isn't going to cover all your expenses, you need to make sure it's going to cover your fixed expenses, like your rent and your insurance, your gas, your food. If you find it's not going to cover those expenses, you've really only got two choices. You're going to have to reduce those expenses, or you have to work longer. For your variable expenses, like traveling and having fun, you're going to need your savings. Will the interest from your savings cover those expenses? If not, you'll have to increase your savings or lower the expenses. Next tip, definitely keep some money safe, but not all. Put part of your savings where they can grow, like stocks or investment real estate. Earning 1% at the bank is not going to cut it. And one final tip, stay on top of everything. Make an estimate of what you think you'll need. Even if it's wrong, at least it gives you a target to shoot at. Use whatever tools that are available, calculators online, and get more information and understand what's going on. I can help you do that. Just go to MoneyTalksNews.com and do a search for retirement. For Money Talks News, I'm Stacy Johnson.